Hello everyone, how have you been? How is your day? I'm doing good. Welcome in our today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about equation of a straight line given 2 points. And as you can see, I have a question here with two parts, A and B. Find the equation of a straight line that passes through the following points. Then part A as the points 0, 2 and 10, 7. So let us start with A solution. For part A, so A, we have the points 0, 2 and 10, 7. So for you to find the equation, now question, we are supposed to find the equation. So for you to find equation of a straight line, you are first supposed to find the gradient of that line. So gradient of a line is given by change in y coordinates over change in x coordinates. So y coordinates and x coordinates in these points are, can call this x1, y1 corresponding to this, corresponding the x1 corresponding to 0, y1 corresponding to 2, then we have x2, y2. So from there we are going to get a y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is what it means by change in y coordinates over change in x coordinates. This is supposed to give us y2 is 7 minus y1 is 2 over x2 is 10 minus x1 is 0. And this is equal to 7 minus 2, which is 5, over 10 minus 0, which is 10, and this is equal to 1 over 2. So that is the gradient. So the gradient m is equal to 1 over 2. Now from there we can now get the equation of this straight line, which has the gradient 1 over 2. And then we say that for you to get an equation of a straight line, we are supposed to take 1 point from the given 0, 2 or 10, 7. We are going to take 1 point from the given, and we can take any of them. Taking 0, 2 and the gradient 1 over 2, and then we also take an unknown point x, y. We'll have the gradient being equal to change in y coordinates in this point and this point over change in x coordinates, the same points. So we'll have 1 over 2 being equal to a change in y, which is y, in this case this y, over r minus 2, this 2, over x minus 0. Then now we can multiply these with the numerator and that with the denominator, which will have 2 into y minus 2 being equal to 1 into x minus 0. Yes, so opening the brackets, we'll have 2y minus 4 being equal to 1 times x, which is x minus 0. And therefore, we'll have 2y being equal to x, then taking negative 4 to that side will be positive 4. And that is the equation of that straight line. That is 2y is equals to x plus 4, because we are not given any condition on how to give the equation of the straight line, in which form, and so on. Therefore, we can leave it at that point. Let's proceed to part B of the question, and as we have done in part A, find the gradient, which is a change in y over change in x, and then change in y. As we have done, we can make this x1, y1, and then x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have 14 minus 10. Look at that. The reason as to why I have chose this question is because of the sign. The sign over x2, which is 0, minus change. This minus is for the change in. Then the next minus is the negative just before the number. So in grade 9, we learn about multiplication of integers, or when a negative follows a negative, it changes to positive. So that is 14 minus 10 is plus 10 over 0 minus 8 is plus 8. Yeah, many students or they do mistakes when they encounter questions to do with two negative signs following each other. They tend to ignore one negative, and then they end up getting it wrong. So be very keen when you are dealing with negatives in mathematics, because you find that most of the examiners are trying to test whether you can obey the rule of signs in mathematics. So we'll have 14 plus 10, which is 24 over 8. And then we know that 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So this is the gradient. In this case, the gradient m is equal to 3. And from there, we can now get the equation of the straight line, which is given by the gradient being equal to, as we said in part A, we are supposed to take another point, unknown xy, and then we choose one point from the ones given. And in this case, you can choose to avoid the negatives and then choose the points with positive integers. And then the gradient 3, which can be written as 3 over 1, is equal to change in y, which is y minus the y coordinate, the y in this coordinate, which is minus 14, over x minus the x in this is 0. And then we have a y, or 1 into y minus 14 is equal to 3 into x minus 0. This will be 1 times y, which is y, minus 1 times 14, which is 14, being equal to 3 times x, which is 3x, minus 3 times 0, which is 0. Then we'll have y being equal to 3x. Then we take negative 14 to the other side and we'll change to positive 14. Then minus 0 is just positive 14. So that is the equation of the line passing through the points -8, -10, and 0, 4. So that is it about today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. If you found the lesson helpful, kindly subscribe more and more for more interesting lessons. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.